Hi, I'm Carolyn. With my husband Steve, we're hooked on cruising. So you're going on a cruise, you just checked in to the cruise, and you have to print off your luggage tags. So what does that look like? So we've got an old Carnival luggage tag here that we used previously, and that's what it looks like. Right here on both sides, it's got a first fold and a second fold. So you fold it on this side, and you fold it on this side, and then you fold it in half. So then what you're supposed to do is wrap this around your luggage handle, and then you tape or staple it right there, which it does say staple or tape on it. So the very first cruise that we went on, I'm like, well, that doesn't seem very secure. What if it's raining? What if, you know how people handle bags? That'll just get ripped off. So I decided we had some clear duct tape, so I taped it all so it was a little bit more sturdier, and then stapled it and wrapped tape around there too so it didn't come off. Bags were fine, got to the room, it wasn't damaged or anything. So I'm like, okay, there's got to be an easier way. So I went shopping online and I found these cruise luggage tags. And I'm like, that's amazing. So what you do from this point, after you've got it all folded, is you just stick it in here. And you seal it. And it's a really, really good seal. Pretty heavy duty. There you go. So if it gets wet, or it won't rip off or get wet or anything like that, it comes with a little metal, stainless steel, I guess, ring. It's a flexible ring. I'm just twisting this off, but it's not twisting. There we go. So you just loop that around your luggage handle, and then you put this little thingy over and you just keep twisting it. So it's pretty secure. So then it just hangs there. So I was much more comfortable putting that on our luggage the next cruise that we took. And we haven't had any problems whatsoever with them. They've never come damaged, never been ripped off, because it's a pretty secure little thing. It's metal all around here. So it's worked great for us over the last several years. What I also did was just print off another luggage tag, but I cut the bottom off, and I got a vaccine card holder. Did the same thing. So it's not quite as good as this one, but it does seal. And then we just put one of these, had an extra one, and put that around our backpack. Steve carries on a CPAP, so we put it on a CPAP. I mean, we don't usually leave stuff, but I mean, it happens. You have something on a chair, whatever, you get out and walk away because you're going to go to the sail away party or something. So I found that's come in really handy too. So I think these, maybe a pack of 5 was like $8 or $9 or something like that, and these is about the same price. So I will put that in the product description for you to click on and take a look at. So hopefully this is helpful to you. I know first time cruising, it's like, what do I do with these? But these were amazing and still are. So anyways, we hope that you are getting hooked on cruising. And until next time, we'll see you later.